Tired of manually transferring form data into Zoho CRM, wasting precious time, and potentially losing valuable leads? Let's dive straight into connecting Fluent Forms with Zoho CRM and supercharge your lead generation. First, make sure you have both Fluent Forms Pro and the Zoho CRM module installed and activated. On your WordPress website, you'll find the Zoho CRM module under the Fluent Forms Modules tab. Enable it. Next, go to Fluent Forms Global Settings and click on the Zoho CRM tab here. We'll connect Fluent Forms to your Zoho CRM account. Click the Get Authorization Code button. You will be redirected to Zoho CRM to authorize the connection. Select your Zoho CRM account and grant Fluent Forms the necessary permissions to access your data. Click Accept. You'll be given an authorization code. Copy this code and paste it into the authorization code field in Fluent Forms Global Settings. Then, click Save Settings. Now, let's integrate a specific form. Open the Fluent Form you want to connect to Zoho CRM. Go to the Settings and Integrations tab and click Add New Integration. Select Zoho CRM from the list of available integrations. Give your integration a descriptive name. Now, select the Zoho CRM module you want to send data to, like leads or contacts. Map the fields in your Fluent Form to the corresponding fields in Zoho CRM. For example, map the name field in your form to the first name and last name fields in Zoho CRM. You can also use Conditional Logic to send data to Zoho CRM only when specific conditions are met. This allows for highly targeted marketing campaigns based on form submissions. Once you've configured the integration, click Save Settings. Now, when someone submits the form, the data will be automatically transferred to your Zoho CRM, saving you time and ensuring efficient lead capture. Now you're ready to nurture those leads with targeted marketing campaigns and drive business growth.